All right, everybody, it's JP with Max Tr3 Revival coming back at you. It's kind of a nice day outside, and I had some things in the garage I wanted to work on, but I decided to throw a caution to the wind. I found out that one of my fellow videographers on YouTube, Chef Tush, actually came down to Pennsylvania for the Tr3 National Meet. I reached online and got in touch with him and found out that we had some time that we could put together, and I wanted to run up and just hang out and talk cars and meet with him. So this will have to wait. I'm going to get on the road, head up that way, and see if I can look at some nice Triumphs, and we're going to go from there. So here we are on the drive up. I'm heading up US 15. It's about an hour and 20 minutes from my house to get up to Gettysburg, PA. I'm south of where the location is. So pretty nice drive. It's hilly, very nice roadways. Just gonna take a nice cruise. I got the camera on the phone mount, which I use for navigation. So just gonna enjoy, sip on some coffee, and then I think once we get up to location, we're gonna meet, grab some breakfast, and just take a look at some of the cars and try and enjoy the day. So this is me on the ride up, and shouldn't be too much longer and should be pulling in. Well, here we are in PA, visiting Chef Tush and his buddy Skip.
Am I going to be in the video?
I think you might.
I don't like being in front of the camera, you know that.
You might make it. Well, wait. So right now you're a paid actor.
I am?
Yeah, because somebody got you breakfast.
And a cigar.
So there we go. So yeah, we're getting ready to head over, take a look at some of the cars, and see what's going on. So there's the ride right there, looking really nice, cleaned up, ready to go. We're just hoping these skies hold out. Yeah. And we'll be back at you. So this is just a sampling of the cars that were still left in the parking lot if they weren't already out for breakfast. So here it is, up close and personal. And I gotta say, it looks nicer. On one of the rear quarter panels too. So just to show you, I did touch it right there, see? Look at that. And I think the seat's far enough back where I might could fit in it. I'm not sure. But
you don't know whether you can fit in it?
Nice ride.
You have one, right?
And there's
you have two.
There's the man, the myth, the legend right there.
That's right. See this, right? Here we go. JP.
Okay, hang on. There we go.
There we go.
Yes. Yeah.
Words to live by.
Yep, there you go. So the weather's a little suspect, so I think they're gonna trade up. Skip and him are gonna take a TR4 for the drive today, and they're gonna put this one in since we don't have the top or side screens. And then I get to drive that lovely ride over there back to my house. And then we'll see whose video winds up better, Chef Tush or JP?
JP.
So there we are, going for a little spin. That guy in the 3 right now.
We might be over the weight capacity somehow.
Spoken like a true Triumph enthusiast. Yeah, this would be I think similar to me and my son when I get my car complete. except his head will look like it shot us above.
There's that estate, by the way, I was talking about.
Yeah.
Pretty verified.
So now, what? You went back with the HUs on this one, or no?
Yeah, with the SUs.
SUs, I'm sorry.
Yeah. So this is the original race engine with the race SU carbs. Because remember, I swapped to Webers.
Yeah, and we were trying to tune them in, and yeah.
And I just got frustrated, went back to the carbs that it was running when I bought it from the old guy who used to race it.
Yeah, I like this finish.
Yeah. My little, and they match the, you probably can't see down by your leg, but I've got those door,
Oh yeah, cards.
it's my
covers.
pickup point for the...
Yeah. There's that sound, that unmistakable sound.
25-mile-an-hour speed limit. We're doing that, right?
Yeah. This is like autocrossing around the hotel section. And we're passing Pennsylvania's version of Stonehenge. Look, I can even sit relaxed. Nothing puts a smile on your face like triumph, huh? And now we're passing.
Everybody's gonna laugh at it. Look at those two guys in that Nissan.
Yeah. This is the parking section for all the rest of the cars. So this is the Tr3 meet in Gettysburg, PA. 2022 kind of post-COVID, we'll say, for now. Getting lined up for, I think, a drive and a show. Nice. All right, so I am back. It was a wonderful day. A little bit cloudy, but turned out to be nice in the afternoon. I'd like to say a special thanks to Chef Tush and for Skip for hosting, their time just to hang out and speak with another enthusiast. Also, like to just give a shout out and say that their channel link, or Chef Tush's channel link, is actually below in my featured channels. So if you get time, check him out. I think he's only got about 900 or 1 million videos, something like that, but has done a lot of triumph, has a lot of knowledge, very helpful. Catch you next time. Hopefully we can get back to some work here again real soon. All right, see you.